Panay. Panay. Mata na.
Ano siya na yung oras?
Alas 4.
Ha? Hi guys, good morning. I'm wake up na 4 a.m. Muna akong tingmata guys. I have so many prepared. Like breakfast, cleaning the house, and naglaba ko guys every morning. Ay, another day, another work, another life. Thank you, Lord, for waking me. Thank you. Hi, shout out to special people around. Wake up na, uy. Wake up na, uy. Yeah.